Hi everyone, Carrie here, coming live from one of Double Garlic's kitchens, my own. Wanted to share with you a great recipe. Megan's recent video of chocolate chip cookies has inspired me to share with you a gluten-free option. Today, we are making flourless chocolate cake. Let's get started. So, we've got a cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, half a stick of butter, so it's about a half a cup. We have 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 eggs lightly swooshed, and a half a cup of cocoa or chocolate powder. So we're gonna go ahead and start by adding the chocolate chips to a microwave safe bowl and add in your half stick of butter. Go ahead and go onto your microwave. And we're going to start at a minute, and we're going to go ahead and stir that up. While that's going on, let's get our pan ready. So we've got the pan that you can take, springform pan, got to remember the right terminology. And we're going to go ahead, we've sprayed it with our non-stick, and we've gone ahead, taken the bottom out, and made the circle so that we can match that up. So we go ahead and align that up. This way it's easier at the end to take it off the plate and get everything going. Set that aside, you're ready to go. Okay, after that minute has passed, go ahead and take it out. And we're gonna start whisking it, wanting that smooth consistency. If for some reason you feel that you're not gonna quite reach that point where it's all smooth and combined, go ahead and stick it back in the microwave for 10 seconds. Each time you need to do that just for 10 seconds until you reach that smooth texture that you're looking for. Once you've reached it, that's when we're gonna go ahead and add all the other ingredients. We're gonna start with our sugar. That's 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Smells amazing. Then we're going to add in the teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 teaspoon of the salt, almost said granulated sugar, ha. And then slowly but surely we're going to start adding the eggs. There's a lot of intimidation in regards to this kind of cake. This is something usually when you go to the restaurant, you're spending at least anywhere from $8 to $10 per slice, and I tell you what, it's worth it. It's one of those cakes that's definitely decadent. A small slice goes a long way, and it's perfect for family functions and making sure everybody with any kind of allergy, well, not the chocolate kind, but any kind of allergy as far as gluten can definitely eat this and enjoy. Okay, now you're going to slowly start whisking in the cocoa powder. That's half a cup of cocoa powder till just combined. You do not want to overmix this. And once it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our springform pan and get it in the oven. While I'm mixing this last little bit up and doing my best not to overmix it, go ahead and get your oven set to 375. We're gonna be cooking it for 25 minutes. So once that is nice and smooth and you don't see any more bumps in there, go ahead and grab your springform pan and let's go ahead and pour this yumminess in. Talk about chocolate decadence. Don't want to waste a single drop. And into the oven we go. Now that our flourless chocolate cake has cooked for the 25 minutes needed, let's go ahead and take it out and let it cool on a rack. Smells amazing. Okay, so while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and create the ganache. We have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and a cup of chocolate morsels. Go ahead and add it to a microwave safe bowl. And again, we're going to use the handy dandy microwave, and we're gonna go ahead and cook it for 30-second increments till, again, it can reach that nice smooth consistency. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and take it out and start stirring this to make our yummy ganache. Once that's to the smooth consistency that you're looking for, again, you don't want any lumps. You just want to make sure that the morsels have completely melted into the cream. And once ready to go, you can set that aside. Now that our flourless chocolate cake has cooled for the 10 minutes needed, what we are going to go ahead and do is flip it over onto our plate. Taking the bottom and doing a quick little tango, if I can grab it. Centering it, and it should lift right off. Slowly peel off that parchment paper and let cool again. Now that we have about 5 minutes of cooling there, what we're gonna go ahead and do is spoon on the yummy ganache. Spread it out nice and even. And then we'll go ahead and sprinkle on some powdered sugar for some finishing touches. Another great thing, if you've got some wild berries hanging around, some raspberries, really pretty against this chocolate yumminess. Kind of went over the edge, but hey, it's chocolate. Not thinking anybody's gonna mind. Okay. I think what's the prettiest is around the edges. Nice little hits going around. And voila, gluten-free chocolate cake, flourless, yumminess, everything is okay in the world now that you've got chocolate. Don't forget to go ahead and follow us on social media, doublegarlic.com, and thank you to all of our followers. Have a great day.